Hello, everyone. My name is Philip Boyle. I live in Homer, Alaska, and I'm currently a senior in the Homeland Security and Emergency Management with an emphasis in fire administration. I'm looking forward to taking organizational behavior just to be able to better understand the culture that goes into businesses and to better be able to navigate whichever field that I go into. Uh, only expectation that I have from or for the instructor is that he's willing to work with students in time crunches and things like that. I think the expectation that he should have for me is that I do work hard, but also having the responsibilities during the week. Most of my stuff is going to end up getting done over the weekend. I look forward to working with each one of you in finishing up the last set of classes before graduation.